Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Ayana. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I post beauty vlogs and hair videos. If you do like this video, make sure you subscribe. If you're not new here, thank you guys for coming back, and as usual, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the video, guys. So today is like a get ready with me story time, so I'm just going to do a light beat because I'm no makeup artist, and I'm going to tell you the story time of when this hairstylist tried me. Like, she tried the bleep out of me. Like, sis, come on. So no time for any long intro, let's get right into the video. So I'm just gonna prime my face first. If you see me looking down, guys, I have a mirror right here, so that's why I'm looking down. So guys, last year July, it was my birthday, and you know I always install my wigs, so you know I wanted to pamper myself, but I didn't think of it until like way after. I never think of it till way, like, it was really close to my birthday. I believe I had like, it was like 3 days before my birthday. So I was searching for a stylist that was within my budget and that was available when I needed my hair done. So I found one. Her work was alright, but the price was even better. So I was like, okay, lit. Book her, drop off the wig, everything. So now I went and did my hair. It was really good. We had good conversation. It was just really nice. She was really nice, you know, and I was just excited to see my hair and whatever. So I didn't get to take a good look at my hair. Oh shit, this is a lot. I didn't get to take a good look at my hair in the salon because she had some like weird lighting, so I wasn't able to take a look in the salon. So I was like, okay, when I get home I'll take a look. When I get home, guys, gas take me up. Guys, when I say I was in the bed when I got home from my appointment till the next morning, so I never got to really look at my hair. I wasn't really feeling it because it was like a bob. I'm gonna insert a picture of like me wearing the hair, and I feel like she just cut it a little bit too short. I feel like she cut it too short. I asked her to cut it just to make it like a more like blunt bob, and I just think she cut it a little too short, so I wasn't really feeling it. But you know, I was gonna do makeup, you know, so I was just gonna wait to see what it was gonna look like. So I was like, all right, bet. Next morning I wake up, guys. If I ever see my ear, I was like, what the hell? Like, come on, like, you must be joking. I did my hair on Friday, July 24th. My birthday was the 26th, which was a Sunday, and I was gonna go to a hotel for the weekend. Well, no, for one night because I had work and stuff. So Friday the 24th. So when I wake up now, it's Saturday the 25th. And I had a little get together with my friends and my fam before I left to go to the hotel. Guys, I'm just gonna insert a picture. Because when I tell you, say, but they want to fight the girl, but they want to fight the girl. Guys, when I tell, moment of silence for my ear. Let's just give a moment of silence because what the fuck is that? So me I show my friend them now, and me I say, look for my ear when I do yesterday. Like, this cannot be my hair. This cannot be my hair. So I messaged the girl now. Let me pull up my phone so I can read the conversation to you, and I'm gonna insert the pictures of the hair so you guys can see of the conversation as well. Let me get it. So I messaged her. I said, good morning, my hair doesn't look too good, and I screenshot the pictures that I'm showing you guys now and sent it to her. She's gonna reply and said, what happened, why it look white? Sis, what you mean by what happened, why it look white? What you mean? But what happened? Like, it's trying to insinuate says meat or something to my ear. So I then responded and said, I don't know, I tied it down and went to bed. She's like, let me finish this client and I'll get back to you. And I'm like, okay. Guys, when it comes down to like people and them business and like business owners, I don't try to be rude. Like, I don't try to be rude because honestly, I plan to start a business, and then one is just like, come on, decency. Like, come on. Guys, give me 1 second. Yeah, it's just like, come on, decency. Like, you know, you don't have to be rude to get your point across. You can just have a conversation. My father always say, you have your right, don't give away your right for be wrong. So sister is gonna say, I don't know what happened. Well, I don't know what happened, how it went from that. Did you get it wet with showering? I'm like, no, I haven't showered since. Remember, guys, I said when I got home, Gaspian took me and I was in the bed. Oh my lashes. I was in the bed till the next morning. Like, legit in the bed till the next morning. I never eat, I never do nothing. I just feel pain, lay down, and then me I get up and go use the bathroom, or I just sleep. So all I did when I go home, I just tie it down. Guys, I always do lace wig, I always do my hair. I know what to do, I know how to take care of it. So I was just like, did you get it wet with showering? Sis, would I be washing my frontal? Like, am I like washing my frontal? Why would I get it wet with showering? So then I said, no, I haven't showered since. So she sent me a video again to show whatever video she took on her phone of how my hair look. And you know, some should have known say something wrong, because from when she do my baby hair, I'm gonna put up the video, I'm zooming in. When she do my baby hair, guys, you can see it's like some big hair of a baby hair, like it's like to cover the lace. Baby hair is not to cover the lace. Baby hair is just there to make it look nice. Baby hair, some people do baby hair to cover the lace because they don't know for the lace, but me never did pay you for do that. Me did pay you for do my hair and make it look nice. So I'm like, I didn't feel good and I tied it down and went to sleep. She's like, okay, well, I'm booked back to back till 5 p.m. I said I won't have time to come back in and I would have to reapply. So then she's like, huh, I only have time at 5 p.m. or Tuesday. Guys, remember I said we had good conversation? We had good conversation. I was telling her all my business. I was telling her my plans. I was telling her, oh, I'm gonna go to Austin with my boo for my birthday. And I even showed her the hotel. Like, girl, what do you mean? Like, sis, what do you mean? Excuse me? Come again? Tuesday? Lady, me tell you, say. Me literally tell the lady, say, I'll go to the hotel Sunday. I'm gonna have my get together with my friends. I'm gonna get together with my friends the next day. So sis knew. sis knew. She knew. So I was just like, more and more she just did that piss me off. It's like too early for me to be this angry. Like, come on. So I'm like, it's fine, I'll figure it out. She's like, if I wasn't booked back to back, I would take you, but this is the only time I have. So I said, okay, some kind of reimbursement, because I have to remove this and reapply it. Guys, I'm gonna insert the picture again, because me wanna know if this lady like mad or she's sick in her head. I'm gonna just blend this and finish the story. Give me 1 second. So she's like, if I wasn't booked back to back, I would take you, but that's the only time I have. So I said, okay, some kind of reimburse. Oh, I already told you guys that. So then she's gonna say, love, your hair didn't look like that when you left me. Your baby hairs are not even in place anymore. I'm not sure what happened, but if there's a problem, you should have come back to the salon after you left me yesterday. Your hair looked great yesterday. I didn't do that to your hair. It didn't look like that. Now I'll help you fix it. And she sent me another video of my hair. This lady is like low-key being rude now. First of all, you know my name. Address me by my name. What you mean by love? So I'm gonna go home, deliberately mess up my hair. I don't know how I make my hair go from looking normal to looking like this within hours. Just to have a conversation with you to tell you that you need to fix it again. Make it make sense, because it doesn't. So I was like, I noticed the lace was white and combed it back, referring to the baby hairs. I didn't manipulate the hair at all after I left. And I said, yes, but I cannot come to you at 5 p.m. I have a party at that time and I'm going out of town tomorrow. I'm not demanding a refund. I'm simply asking. I never said you did this to my hair, but it shouldn't look like this after 1 day. That's all. And I'm not asking for you to give me 100% of what I paid. Because again, me being Miss Nice Girl, I never did ask her to give me back all of my money, but I feel like me for pay for that, like fully pay for that. Because come on, it's not even a week. It's not even a week and my hair already look like that. Like, excuse me? Like, sis, are you mad? Because me there, I wonder if there's something wrong with me, because it's been a day. I even tell her something normally do my own hair. So what do you mean by your hair didn't look like that yesterday? Obviously it didn't look like that yesterday. So it's like she tried to play me like me dumb, because me I wonder what do you call that, gaslighting? Is that the right terminology? What, guys, wanna tell me now? Tell me now what this mean by I didn't do that to your hair. You the baby hairs have been manipulated. So then she's like, okay, I'll send you your money, have a good day. And I just like it, because we don't even have no other conversation, because Mrs. say I get rude. For protect my peace, I'm gonna just like the message. I don't need to respond, because I think about it any longer. I'm gonna get upset and I'm gonna want you to give me back all of my money, because it's me I be nice to you. Me not approach it in a no disrespectful way. I am being nice to you about it. So where the attitude for? Because I can sense the attitude about love. Sis, my book you talk to me, you know my name. I think she didn't even follow me on Instagram. So what you mean? Guys, give me 1 second. So then, like 6 minutes later, she's gonna message me and say, what's your cash app. I'm not sending you the whole amount because I guess she never realized it. Me say never want all of the money. I'm not gonna send you the whole amount. I'll send you some back even though it wasn't my fault. Then whose fault was it? My fault? Because I go home, I tie down the ear, I'm gonna go sleep. What else should I have done? So you want me to pay you for your job? You know, your job, so they need to fix your job? Sis, do better. Do better, because I'm confused. Whose fault was it? I mean, inside me, are you? I want to know whose fault was it? Because it surely ain't mine. It's definitely not mine, because I didn't install my hair. I paid you to install my hair and you didn't do a good job. Guys, I really want to know if I'm in the wrong. Make insert the picture of them again. Make insert the picture of them again, because me want to know if me mad or she mad or both of them mad. Because maybe me need that. I wear glasses. Maybe me never did wear my glasses good. Our iPhone camera did a glitch today. iPhone camera was glitching, so I did it do something. See me last time, the way I'm confused as to who fault it is. And then I think I want hour wait before she send me back my money. If you never have money, just say that, boo. Because at this point I just want to disrespect you, because it's like you see that it's been a day. If it was a week, I would understand. It's been a day and she can't even say the heat was an excuse, because guess what? I went in my car in my AC, drive home, go home in my bed in my AC. So whose fault is it? My fault, your fault, the glue fault, the lace fault? It's not even a case where it have nothing to do with the lace. Like, guys, you can clearly see that's not how the lace looked, because I have a video on here where I installed that same wig and you couldn't even tell, say it's not an HD or a transparent lace. You couldn't even tell. Hold on, give me 1 second. I can't find my brush. Get some cutie. Look bad. God good. Look, oh God good. My nice bad. So I'm done getting ready. Something light, something cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this story time. Tell me if I made it crazy or something wrong with the girl, because I really want to know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As usual, make sure you comment, like, make sure you subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram, because I want you guys to interact with me more. You guys don't interact with me on YouTube, so you can interact with me on Instagram. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as usual, stay tuned for more content, and thank you guys.